If you're looking to upgrade your vehicle's suspension system, this comprehensive suspension kit offers everything you need for an enhanced driving experience. The kit includes 2 complete front upper control arms, 2 front stabilizer sway bar end links, 2 lower ball joints, 2 front inner tie rod end links, and 2 front outer tie rod end links, providing you with all the essential components to restore or improve your vehicle's suspension. The rubber bushings in this suspension kit are pre-installed to help reduce road noise and vibrations, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride, even when cornering or driving over bumps. Manufactured to strict standards, each part in the kit is coated with e-coating for corrosion protection, promoting a longer service life. The high-strength steel body of the components ensures stability and durability during operation, making this kit a reliable choice for your vehicle. Please note that professional installation is recommended for this suspension kit, and the instructions should be carefully read before use. Once installed, it's advised to test the vehicle in an empty area to ensure proper function before taking it back on the road. Top reviews from the United States highlight the ease of installation and great value, with one satisfied customer saying, "Installation was easy, products fit great, and the value was excellent. I will definitely buy from them again." Click the link in the description to purchase this premium suspension kit today and enjoy a more comfortable and controlled driving experience.